In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat on Instagram. We'll connect your Instagram channel in Manychat and then build a simple, effective automation that responds to comments on a specific post or reel. By the end, you'll be ready to go live with a compliant, keyword-triggered flow that drives engagement and DMs. Start by opening your Manychat dashboard and heading to Settings on the left. In Settings, find Channels and choose Instagram. On the Instagram page, confirm you're connected to the correct Instagram professional account that's linked to the right Facebook page. If you need to switch accounts, use Change Instagram Connection to pick the proper page and profile. Next, click Refresh Instagram Permissions so Manychat can sync the latest access from Meta. This is especially helpful if you recently updated roles, converted to a business account, or adjusted page settings. If you're troubleshooting or want to pause activity while you configure, you can disable Instagram channel here and re-enable later once you're ready. With the connection set, go to Automation and click New Automation. Choose the Instagram comments option shown in the builder. This template streamlines setup so you can focus on the trigger and messages rather than starting from scratch. Configure the trigger to fire. When someone comments on a specific post or reel, then select the exact content you want to use. Add a keyword condition under "and" this comment has. Click into the field and type the words or phrases people will use to opt in. Keep them intentional short, unique prompts like guide, link, or a campaign-specific code reduce accidental triggers. Now define what they will get. First, set the immediate reply. This can be a comment, acknowledgement, or a DM that delivers what you promised. Then add the follow-up message to deepen the conversation, share links, or capture details with buttons and quick replies. Personalize your messages, keep them concise, and preview to confirm everything looks right. When your trigger and messages are set, click Go Live. That's it. Your Instagram automation is active and ready to engage your audience.